first we set up a box. The box have a sprite 2D, area 2D and the collision shape 2D. Then we go to our main scene. We add the child node, static body 2D and the sprite 2D to the static body. We can also add the collision shape 2D to detect the collision with our box and add the sprites to our static body. We will make it black and adjust the collision shape 2D. Then we go to nodes, groups and add the group droppable to our static body 2D. Then inside the box script we create a new variable called draggable and we equal it to false. Then we create another variable that can be dropped that will be equals to false as well. Then we call the function process and we just pass it for now. Then we go to the box, we go to signals and connect mouse entered, mouse exited, body entered and body exited signals. And then we modify each code, adjusting the settings as needed. As you can see on the screen, draggable true on area 2D mouse entered, false on area 2D mouse exited, and on area 2D body entered we verify if he is in group droppable, print in if it is, and we change the variable to can be dropped, and on the other we make the opposite. Then we go to project settings, globals. As you can see, I already have some script here. I will be going inside the singleton. You can create your own singleton and create a global variable. Where is dragging equals false. Then we call if not singleton dot is dragging and do the same on the other. Then inside the function process I do if draggable and if input dot is action pressed last click, then global position dot not equals get global mouse position. Else if input dot is action just pressed left click, we do singleton dot is dragging equals false. After that we do another verification to see if can be dropped, and if it can be dropped we can print something, or maybe no, if not can be dropped, I think. Yeah, if not can be dropped, then we return to the original position. That will be vector 2, 100 to 100 in this case. Then on the top condition we do singleton dot is dragging equals true, set it to true when we are dragging it, and this should be working a little. Let me just reduce the size so you can see the console. This is kind of offset, my bad, and you can see in out whenever I go in and out the box. Now I need to fix some bugs, as you can see, so let's go back to the code. First we return our sprite 2D position so it is not offset, and our collision shape 2D. Then we transform it on the main scene, and this should fix the main issue. Yeah. Let me just show the console again, and as you can see it's working. If I drag in and if I drag out. After that, inside the code, here we do global position equals vector 2D 100 and 100. That will be our prefix value. That should be working. We change the condition for is action just released, and this might work or should work. Yeah, as you can see, when we drop outside the box, it returns to the position we set. If you want to see how I made the game in a month, check this video.